Hi, I'm Bonita from Bonita's Kitchen, and thank you for joining us. I was asked by London Sunshine Company to do a review on their Food Dehydrator with 6 trays. Now, anyone that follows our channel would know we only do reviews on products that we would use in our kitchen. Are you looking for a food dehydrator that is ideal for making everything from jerky, sausage, dried fruit, flours, vegetables, herbs, etc.? So London Sunshine provides a high quality, durable, full stainless steel and BPA-free dehydrator that is exactly what you are looking for. I will show you 4 quick clips on how to dehydrate bananas and low carb crispy zucchini chips. Also a few tasty apple slices with a soft chew and an intense apple flavor. Dried apple chips are a very healthy snack. Also orange slices that have been marinated in water, cinnamon sticks, and sour anise to give them an amazing taste. I've always wanted to dehydrate food, and I've never found time to do so. Look at all the benefits that the dehydrating of food gives you. Preserving food at a low temperature. Also, it don't kill off the beneficial enzymes and the nutritions that they give. So I hope you enjoyed those clips. So with that said, I believe that the message I quoted you at the beginning is indeed a true statement by London Sunshine. So I'm going to give them from Bonita's Kitchen a 2 thumbs up, and I'm going to share with you a link to their product and as well a discount code if you wish to order one. And as well, it comes with a cookbook recipe for you to follow, and I'm sure if you dehydrated anything in the past, you know how to do that. But you'll also have a few pointers in here. It's got an instruction manual, of course all of our products do, and you can see inside that it's got pull out stainless steel drawers, and of course the sleeves that's also non-stick that goes into it, and of course the six trays. So I'd like to thank each and every one of you for stopping by here today. On behalf of myself, Raymond, and our team, and from our kitchen to yours, thank you for joining us, and you have a wonderful day.
Always an open door, Bonita's Kitchen to yours.